Hey everyone, it's Brian. I'm back again with another mini demo, this time with the 1170 RapidColor Package Pro solution. You can see everything that you get in this particular solution from right to left. Starting over here, we've got our feeder, or rather our feed table we like to call it. That transitions over to our conveyor with the 1170 RapidColor print head mounted up high. And then finally you got our delivery tray here at the end to catch our box. This system also includes the software and the computer to run everything. And this demo, we've actually got it between two 4-foot tables, but this solution does actually come with one 6-foot table. It runs all the way to the end of the feed table there, so you can get everything on one table ready to go. So let's go ahead and take a look a little bit more into details here. This is our feed table. This is 24.5 inches wide by 24 inches long. The height just runs up so that it runs flush with the conveyor here to allow for a seamless transition for your box or whatever it is that you might be printing. You can see, if I move this to the side a little bit, this feed table also does include these magnetic stops that are repositionable, that can serve as a backstop, and you can actually see over here something similar. So you've got our guide rail right here with the conveyor. This telescopes back and forth, and it really just acts as a backstop, as does the other, so that when we put our box on, we can actually just push this right up against, and then you get consistent placement from box to box to box as you hand feed for that area right there. So I'll just go ahead and kind of set this to the side. You can see that we've got our conveyor here, and there's holes, so this is perforated, so we do have vacuum. It just provides a little bit of suction to pull the box, substrate, whatever it is that you're printing, down and hold it in place as it travels along the belt. So if I take a step back, then you can kind of see you've got our conveyor right here. This conveyor runs at 18 inches per second. You've got our print head that's mounted up above it. This print head has up to 10 inches of height adjustment, so it can cater to a variety of different heights of boxes, whatever it is that you're printing on. This printer itself is a FI1000 inkjet printer, single pass with CMYK, cartridge base right up front. It is a quick dry. It does not use UV. It does not use heat, but it is a Aqueous based ink that's quick dry. So when this box comes off, you'll be able to pick it up and it will not smudge. And then finally, you've got our delivery tray here. Again, similar to how we had on the feeder, you've got these magnetic stops that are repositionable for whatever size box that you have. And then this entire bottom actually will pivot up and down too, again, depending on the size of the box. So let's go ahead and take a look here. This is our software that we've got that we're going to be printing from. But let me jump down here and put this box into position. All right, it's right up against our guide rail. So let's come over here and we are going to press print. Now you might hear it do a brief clean cycle just to make sure that everything's up and running. Once these lights turn on, we'll engage with those and you can see this print. All right, so we'll turn on our vacuum and then press print. All right, let's get this off. And there you go. Beautiful graphics, vibrant color, it's fast, works really well. This is our 1170 RapidColor Package Pro solution. If you have any questions, check us out at postmark-usa.com. Thanks.